Nangamalari. Welcome to Ask Aunty, Aunty Munya.
Yes.
Great question today.
Yes.
They're all great questions. But can I give my house an Aboriginal name? And if I do, should I only use a name from the local language that I'm on?
Yeah, that's a terrific question. Yes, by all means, do give your house an Aboriginal name. Our house is given an Aboriginal name from a Creole name, Gidjiwadji. So I encourage the use of Aboriginal language all the time. And while it's important to have language that's connected to the rightful owners, the traditional owners of the country, that's a good thing to bear in mind also. But if that's not possible, then another language name would be okay. So, yeah, go for it.
I think it's just important to know where that comes from if you do and the
Absolutely,
meaning.
yeah.
Thanks, Ask Aunty.